But there was this Igbo Nigerian girl, just like you, and she felt like there was something missing in her life, and she could finally figure out what it was, and she could express herself the way she really wanted. And you know what? I'm just gonna show you.
Watch this story of this girl who finally discovered who she was. This is Jasmine. She's just like you. She's had some struggles, but came out on the other side of them better. She has hopes, dreams, and is figuring this thing called life out.
Jasmine's mom is black and her dad is Nigerian. He sadly passed away when she was younger, but one of the things that he left her with was an Igbo middle name, Chinazo.
She never knew what it meant. To fit in at school, she would never tell anyone what her middle name was. She had some friends, but was shy sometimes. She felt like something was missing, and if she could find it, then she could finally express herself the way she wanted.
But all that changed when she started college. When she saw the name of her roommate on her freshman orientation class packet, her face lit up. She had never met another Chinazo before. She ran to say hi to her. Chinazo met her with more positive vibes than she had ever felt in her life.
This was exactly what Jasmine had needed all along. She broke out of her shell with confidence and never looked back.